15 futuristic agricultural machines that could revolutionize the farming industry. Here are 15 futuristic agricultural machines that could revolutionize the farming industry. 1. Automated drone crop sprayer. A drone equipped with advanced sensors and AI for precision crop spraying, reducing chemical usage and optimizing resources. 2. Vertical farming robot. Robots capable of tending to vertical farming stacks, planting, watering, and harvesting crops efficiently in controlled indoor environments. 3. Soil scanning rover. An autonomous rover that scans soil health and nutrient levels, providing real-time data to optimize planting and fertilization. 4. Smart planting seeder. An AI-powered seeder that plants seeds with pinpoint accuracy, adapting to varying soil conditions and optimizing plant density. 5. Automated harvesting system. Robotic arms and sensors that harvest crops at the peak of ripeness, reducing labor and minimizing damage to plants. 6. Intelligent weeding machine. A machine equipped with AI and computer vision to identify and remove weeds, reducing the need for chemical herbicides. 7. Precision fertilization drone. Drones equipped with precision fertilization systems that analyze soil and deliver nutrients precisely where needed. 8. Biomimetic pollination robot. Robotic bees or insects designed to mimic pollination, helping maintain crop yields in the face of declining natural pollinators. 9. Automated hydroponic system. A self-contained hydroponic system with AI monitoring and management for optimal nutrient delivery and growth. 10. 3D printed greenhouses. 3D printed greenhouse structures that adapt to local climate conditions, optimizing temperature, humidity, and light for crops. 11. AI-powered livestock management. Sensors and AI that monitor livestock health, behavior, and feeding patterns, enabling proactive care and optimized breeding. 12. Solar-powered desalination plant. A mobile desalination unit powered by solar energy, converting seawater into freshwater for irrigation in arid regions. 13. Autonomous plant monitoring swarm. A network of small, mobile sensors that swarm fields, continuously monitoring crop health, pests, and diseases. 14. Climate-adaptive crop varieties. Biotechnological advancements that create genetically modified crops capable of thriving in changing climate conditions. 15. Energy harvesting windbreakers. Windbreak structures integrated with energy harvesting technology, generating electricity while protecting crops from strong winds. These futuristic agricultural machines combine cutting-edge technology with sustainability to address the challenges of modern farming. While some of these concepts are still in development, they hold the potential to reshape the agriculture industry and contribute to more efficient, productive, and environmentally friendly practices.